I'm Don Ueckert.
And I'm Deb Ueckert.
And I'm a fourth generation farmer. And we've lived here about, right here about, what,
45 years.
45 years.
Been married 48 years.
48 years. This place has been in our family since 1949. 2 miles where I grew up from here, we've had land that's been in the family for 122 years. So we've been around a lot.
And I'm a city girl from Grand Island, so.
I've taught her everything she knows. We decided to have an auction and contacted BigIron. John Stopak's our agent, and had good experience with John. Farmed about 50 years, so like I said, it just decided it was time to quit. We're standing next to my father-in-law had restored hand corn shellers and single-cylinder motors, and he passed away about 25 years ago, and this was our share of them.
What else are you selling? Combines,
Yeah.
tractors?
Yeah, tillage equipment, sprayer, self-propelled sprayer. I'd asked my dad when, before he passed away, what his biggest change in farming was. And he said electricity and tractors. And I guess mine is auto steer or technology as a whole. So, and it's getting a little harder for me to understand all the technology. So, as I said, it's probably time to quit.